Tired of cupping your ear during calls? Let's boost that iPhone call volume so you never miss a word again. First, the most obvious culprit: your volume buttons while on an active call. Press the volume up button repeatedly until it reaches the maximum level. You'll see the volume indicator shoot up on your screen. Make sure you're adjusting the right volume during a call. These buttons control the earpiece volume, not the ringer. Next, let's dive into your iPhone settings. Tap on the Settings app, then scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll find the ringer and alerts volume slider. While this controls your ringer, it's good practice to ensure it's also set to a comfortable level, though it won't directly impact call volume. Now, for a hidden gem that can significantly improve call clarity, go back to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and select Touch from there. Scroll down further to Call Audio Routing, and make sure it's set to Automatic. Then, back in Accessibility, tap Audio Visual and ensure Phone Noise Cancellation is turned on. This feature helps filter out background noise, making the incoming voice clearer. Is your iPhone connected to Bluetooth? Sometimes audio can misroute through a connected device, even if it's not actively playing sound. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth. If you see any connected devices, try turning off Bluetooth entirely, or if you suspect a specific device, tap the eye icon next to it and select Forget this device. Then test your call volume again. Software glitches can also be the cause. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This often resolves many bugs, including those affecting audio performance. Finally, let's tackle the physical aspect. Dust and debris can accumulate in your iPhone's speaker and microphone grills, muffling the sound using a dry, soft-bristled brush or a can of compressed air. Gently clean these openings. Be careful not to push debris further. In a clean grill means clearer sound. With these steps, you should now be enjoying crystal clear conversations on your iPhone. If you're still experiencing low call volume, it might indicate a hardware issue, and it would be best to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider.